He's like, let's get the stuff and let's get out of here. It's silly. Look at this veggie garden. It's gone insane.
This episode of Pocket Trailblazer's daily vlogs was brought to you by Bushy's Projects.
Taken. Morning, guys. It's like super early. I think it's like 5:30 in the morning. I don't really know why I'm awake. I don't normally get up at this time. I just have a really busy day today, and I just kind of felt like I was awake. I was just ready to go. So, having my glass of Nesquik. Gotta have my pregnancy vitamins. Just before we get started for the day. Sorry, I'm whispering because Tom is asleep and I don't want to wake him up. I got a little bit distracted. I was responding to YouTube comments and then I got distracted by my friend Justin Wheeler, who has just dropped a video, and he started it off with some fantastic quotes, and I quickly wanted to start your day with a fantastic quote. I'm going to drop in this little bit that he says.
Sit with winners. The conversation is different. I truly, wholeheartedly believe this. You're sitting with people that are motivated, that are excited about life, that are doing some interesting things. Sit with those guys, chat with those guys, pick up the phone and call those guys. You're gonna get further, rather than the people who whinge and whine and complain about life. So, sit with winners.
It's honestly the best advice ever, and I always try and go by this. Hang out with the people that are doing things and creating. Don't hang out with the people that are just complaining about why they can't do it. Simple as that. You're gonna get further. Anyway, let's sort this out. Boom, done. This morning my plan is I've got to redo the kind of intro to these daily updates, because I didn't really do a proper one. I just did like a little montage, and I want to actually do a little voiceover mini kind of really mini story. So that's the plan this morning. But first we got to go shopping because we have absolutely no food at all in the house. It's ridiculous, and we've run out of milk. Disaster. Morning, W-Roo.
Don't talk to me.
What? You've had your coffee?
Yeah. Having one of those days.
Having one of those days. Should we go to the supermarket? You got the bags.
It's our big shop for the week.
It is a big shop. You got enough bags? Yeah.
Yeah.
Got all the bags.
House keys.
House keys, car keys. Jesus. Going apart today. Let me just put that in park for a second. One thing about living by the sea, the car gets covered in salt. You can't see out the windows. So Tom's just quickly spraying it down. That's literally the only bad thing about living by the sea. Just that one thing. It destroys your cars because the salt just ruins everything. Shopping! It's my favourite thing.
Wonder what you're doing.
What are you going straight for, Tommy Roo?
We need bread. This is shopping with Charlie and Tom episode.
No, I just thought, you know, I'm going to the supermarket, so why not take you guys with me? You can see a little bit of an Australian supermarket. This is the shopping list. I totally love this like misting system. I think Tom's already lost tolerance of me filming in the supermarket. He's like, let's get the stuff and let's get out of here. It's silly.
It's silly.
It is silly. Cheers! We're not even here that early. There's no one in this supermarket. It's so empty, it's crazy. Because this is the selection. UK foods. This is what they think is like essential from the UK. Mushy peas, mustard, stuffing obviously, Bisto, the big, some Veggie dips, Dr. Pepper obviously essential, UK food. So there we go, that's the little UK food section for you. We've now lost Tom, where is he? Oh there he is, I found him again. Finish the shop and we just come to the butcher's. Dad, this one is for you because I know you'll love this. Look at this display they have. It's amazing. Look at how much. It's insane how much meat goes all the way along. So much. Still going, look at that. There we go. That is a serious meat counter for you. Tom has just got back from work a little bit early. Tom's cousin Sam has just come round to come and see the house because he hadn't seen it yet. And he's just showing him the veggie patch. Having a beer and a snack, hey? Look at this veggie garden, it's gone insane! Oh my god, I mean...
The cherry tomatoes just hanging up there.
Those tomatoes have gone crazy.
Oh,
there's another strawberry! Yay! Another strawberry. Trying to get in the beans. We got more beans.
Got all your own.
This is cool. Come on, focus.
That should be pretty loaded.
Yeah, let's definitely pick some beans. Okay, well, it's only like 5 o'clock, but I'm going to shut down my hard drives because I'm not going to get any more work done because I've got to cook dinner, and then I've obviously got to publish the video, the vlog from whenever, yesterday's vlog. Still haven't got the hang of this yet. It's not rocket science, I just don't know what is wrong with my brain. I'm cooking Thai green curry tonight. It's one of my faves. I'm not especially great at it, but you know, we'll give it a bash. I was supposed to be cooking dinner, but it appears Tom has just got involved and is chopping everything up.
Trying to be nice.
Honestly, I feel like my audience just feels like I don't ever cook, but I do.
Well, I usually cook, so.
Tom likes cooking, but I was gonna do Thai green curry. Well, I'll stir. But guess what? We got beans. Beans from our garden going in. Yes. Hell yeah. Tom has taken over. We're just leaving it to simmer for a little bit now. I don't normally put carrots in my green curry because then it's not a green curry, it's kind of red. But you know, Tom did this. Oh, we've all steamed up. That's not ideal, is it?
It's a bit warm.
A bit warm.
I didn't tell you it's too hot. You're going to be filming me for like 30 seconds.
It's alright.
Ooh, that's spicy.
It's got some kick to it.
It's alright.
Oh jeez. Oh jeez, Louise. We've got that and we've got the rice bubbling now. I'm pretty hungry. I guess it's because we kind of ate whatever it was, lunch a bit early, didn't we?
Oh, we've had a weird day today.
It's been a bit of a weird, all over the place day, but you know. And we're thinking about watching Soul. We want to watch. We haven't seen that yet. It's the new Disney Pixar movie. So we'll see what that's all about. Currently looking online for prams and capsules and all this sort of baby stuff. I just, you know, it's like, what? How do you know what to get? It's just impossible. I don't know what I'm doing.
What?
Help! Help me!
You're supposed to be the one that knows.
Well, I don't.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, jeez, we're in trouble, aren't we? I've got to do some more research. How about you guys help me? What's a good system? I mean, I'm pretty sure none of my audience is going to have a clue about prams and capsules and baby seats and all this palaver, but...
You never know, Joe.
You never know. Might do.
Curry.
I know. I mean, I should probably emphasize right now that this is not real Thai green curry. This is just our interpretation of Thai green curry, but it's pretty delicious.
It's all the ingredients.
Well, ish.
It's just not, yeah, ish. It's just not legit.
I've never been able to get it to change.
Come on, I know all about sparks because mine is piano.
No, not jazz, just music. I don't like music sounds. Feels like a little too.
What did you think of Soul, Tommy?
Yeah, it's good. Very good.
It's a good film, isn't it? It's quite cute.
Yeah, really liked it. Something very original.
It is very original. It's very unique, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, this is probably going to be quite a long video, so subscribe, hit the like
Like
button.
and subscribe.
I really hate saying that. It's absolute rubbish. But, you know, apparently you have to, because apparently if you don't do it, no one subscribes.
This episode of Pocket Trailblazer, what is it? Pocket Trailblazer's daily vlogs?
Yes.
This episode of Pocket Trailblazer's daily vlogs was brought to you by Bushy's Projects.
See you tomorrow.